Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to trade ETFs and fractional shares on Interactive Brokers, step by step. If you're new to investing or just want an easier way to diversify your portfolio, this is a great place to start. First, open your Interactive Brokers app or log in to the client portal. Make sure your account is funded. You can deposit money directly from your linked bank account. To trade ETFs, simply use the search bar and type in the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you're interested in, like SPY for the S&P 500. Once it comes up, tap on it and hit the buy button. You'll need to enter the quantity, order type, and review your order before confirming. Now, here's the cool part. Interactive Brokers also allows you to trade fractional shares. It means instead of buying a full share of something expensive, like Tesla or Amazon, you can buy a fraction of it starting from as little as $1. To do this, when you place your order, simply switch from shares to dollars and type the exact amount you want to invest. Once you've confirmed, Interactive Brokers will execute the trade, and you'll see your ETF or fractional share appear in your portfolio. From there, you can monitor performance, set up alerts, or even automate recurring investments. And that's it. You now know how to trade ETFs and fractional shares with Interactive Brokers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more investing guides, and drop a comment below if you've already tried fractional trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.